crime scene.
It don't matter. You walking up. Don't walk up. Don't trip up. Don't trip up. Ain't worth that. Don't touch it.
Location, Florida, USA. Incident shots fired, aggravated assault battery on law enforcement officers. Date undisclosed. Footage obtained via public records request.
They jumped on that white man. They kicked him and beat him out. Me and my neighbor seen it.
Out of who? The gentleman in the gray pants right there?
Yep.
He was shooting a gun, about 8 rounds or so.
Did.
Then he knocked the female down, then he knocked the male and the female down.
Where are those people?
Right there.
Right there.
No.
The greenhouse.
Them 2 guys and the white people right there in this house right here.
Did anyone get shot?
No.
No,
but
they shot it. They shot the damn gun.
I seen them shooting it.
Okay.
And then
Just
when
I heard it.
We're gonna be right.
I heard it.
Okay.
But I seen them when they beat that man up.
What kind of gun did he have?
It was a pistol. I don't know. Couldn't tell.
Okay.
But I seen him boom, boom, boom.
Them 2 right there. Them 2 guys. They beat that man up.
The 2 that are pushing?
Ma'am, I seen it. So the guy in the gray shorts shot the gun off. The other guy is kind of camouflage shorts.
Yep.
All right. It's the guy in the gray that he's pushing him back. He's the one that shot off the rounds, knocked over the grill, and started smacking a woman who went this way.
Okay.
And then before she got it over here, they got in the neighbor's yard, and he popped that gentleman in the white shirt, the guy in the gray. And then when another man came out, the one that's up by the door now, that's when the other guy, I guess it's his brother, came over and started jumping him.
Yep. And they start kicking the man.
Where are you at? Because we're gonna.
Right here.
Okay. We'll be back to talk to you in a minute. Okay.
Hey guys, what's going on?
So I heard gunshots.
Okay.
I came outside.
Is anyone shot or anything?
No.
What's that from?
Those 2 right there attacked me.
They attacked you?
They attacked me.
Why?
Because I was trying to defend a girl.
Okay. Do you medical attention?
No.
Alright, just one sec.
No, they attacked.
Hey, he's saying he was battered by these 2 guys.
Try it again.
Alright.
So try it again. Try it again. Mommy, I ain't doing nothing. I ain't doing not one thing. Not one thing. On the house.
Yeah. So far, he's saying he was battered by them.
He wasn't battered.
Oh, he's bleeding. Okay.
Damn. That's a hurt. No.
Yeah, dude in the gray had the gun.
Yeah, I know. I'm waiting for more people to get because they're all trying to fight us. So.
You don't tell us how this is gonna go.
What?
You don't get to tell us how this is gonna go. We're gonna figure all this out.
I'm gonna tell you.
Okay. Why?
So that's how it's done. We're not taking your word for it. We're staying right here.
Do what you got to do then.
All right. That's what we're gonna do.
Do what you got to do. No, go in the house.
Go in the house.
Go in the house.
Go in the house.
We'll lock the house down. We don't care.
Huh?
We'll lock the house down.
What you mean?
We'll surround it. Doesn't matter.
Okay. Can you tell us what happened? I don't know if they talked to you yet. Let's step behind the car.
Yeah, the guy, I heard gunshots. And I heard gunshots, and he was holding the girl down. She left.
Which one was holding the girl down?
This right here.
This guy?
Yeah.
Okay.
And he was gonna.
This one with the jean shorts?
Yeah, he says he's gonna kill her. And the other guy comes up, and I said, "Look, just leave her alone." And then they attacked me.
Okay. You want paramedics?
No.
Okay.
Who attacked you?
Which one was it?
Both of them.
Okay.
For what reason?
Because I told them to quit beating on the girl.
What was she wearing?
I have no idea. Man.
Okay.
Okay, so let me tell you like this. Y'all, all of y'all, it's on. Y'all said it's public property.
Well, we're conducting investigations. We're really
For what?
Because there's shots fired. People are extremely uncooperative.
Huh? Well, I mean, look at all these police.
Yeah, because there were shots multiple times.
Who is you yelling at?
You.
You don't yell at me. I don't care who you is. That's one thing you're not gonna do. You're gonna respect me. You're gonna have some respect. I don't care. No, because I was talking to you like a calm person, and the way that you sit up here and you just raised your voice at me, I don't play that. You don't raise your voice at me. You talk more calmly. What's up?
We had multiple calls for shots fired. That's why we're here.
Okay. And like
That's why we're checking to see if everybody's okay. We want to make sure nobody's hurt.
Nobody's hurt. Like I was trying to tell him before he started raising his voice at me. He said that I was like, okay. He said they're being uncooperative, but it's like all these police for what? You know what I'm saying? Like
Well, anytime we get a call for possible shots fired, yeah, there's going to be a big response. You have to
Okay.
understand, for everybody's protection here, but as well as for ours. So you have to understand it's not like a call where there's a, lost cat or something.
Well,
we'll
get it. Investigation?
Not yet. We're all just getting here, so we'll figure it out, sir, and we'll be out of here now.
Okay, so y'all just okay.
Yep, absolutely.
And you don't want paramedics or anything? If you want, they can come check you out right down the block.
Dad, they're stepping on you.
Do you lose consciousness or anything?
A little bit.
Dad,
I'm cool.
no, you're not. You have cancer. We can't. This isn't okay. This is not
totally
okay.
No, I don't need anything.
Yes, you do, Dad.
No, I don't. I'm not gonna let anybody get the girl in front of me.
No, you did the right thing.
No, he didn't.
I mean, he's trying to help her, so.
He didn't help at all. Now we're involved and they hate us. He didn't help them at all. I just. Maybe I'll call Daddy again.
Quick, fast, and hurry.
Yeah, do me a favor, sir. Just stay away from this area right here, okay? You can go over here. I appreciate it.
Now, please hurry up with your
Thank you.
investigation. Get off my property, please, and thank you.
I'm not going to right now, sir. I'm sorry.
Once y'all done, please get off my property.
Ma'am, don't walk through here, please. Just go around me.
This way my mama lives.
Yeah, ma'am.
I'm going this way. Don't touch
Don't
me.
touch her. Don't touch her.
Yeah. You on your way?
You back up. Don't touch
Hey,
her.
hey, we don't need this.
You're not allowing me to...
That's the dog.
We don't need this.
Don't touch my
You on
mom.
your way?
Straight up. Y'all want us to back
Okay,
up,
come
y'all
on,
back
cause
up.
it's like 30 deep.
So respect.
Who's that, Daddy?
All right, say less.
It's like 30 deep. I'm not walking up on you, but I need to get through here.
This is a crime scene.
It don't matter. You walking up. Don't walk up.
Take him. Get on the ground right now. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground. On your face. Hey, look, man.
Get on the ground. On the ground. On the ground.
Y'all trick up. Y'all trick up. Ain't worth it. Don't touch it. I was late. Don't touch me.
Bat Leo. Oh, Bat Leo, right there. Spit on my face. Bat Leo. Congratulations. Felony charge. Battery on Leo. Can you just spit in my face? Keep out in the charges, bud. Yeah, you will. Ma'am, can I tell you something? Ma'am, what are you doing? Hey, Curcio, watch her. Man, don't come over here. Don't touch my mama. Okay. Don't touch my mama. Don't touch me. She doesn't stay on the
I don't know
sidewalk.
what for. You ain't taking me no well. I tell you that, man. You ain't gonna take me no well.
Now you're going to jail for another Bat Leo. 2 Bat Leos, got it. Bat Leo threats to Leo. I hate y'all. Shooting a gun.
So what? I do it. I ain't got no gun. You can't do that. Wait, do that. Do that. I saw the gun. What's your ass? Shoot. Move it.
I mean, you stared at me like a problem.
Hey! Yeah.
You stare at me, your eyes follow me everywhere.
Y'all can take. I'm not going over there, but I am going to talk to my son without you being all up in my face. Y'all, hey! Y'all back up, man.
We're not doing this.
No, we are not doing this. Come on, my face.
Come on. They ain't worth it. We gotta go to work in the morning. They ain't worth it.
I'm just asking.
No, I'm just telling you
Can I talk
this.
to you over here?
How
Can
you
I talk
telling
to
me
you
to
over
come down, but she walking all the way
Can
up in
I
my
talk
face?
to you over
I'm
here?
trying to
Okay, never
I'm
mind.
trying to make it a work
I'm
tomorrow,
trying to talk
but
to
I don't need nobody all up in my
I'm
face.
just trying to talk to you. Do you want to talk to me?
No, okay, absolutely not. I don't have nothing to say to y'all, but I do. Don't try to handle my son. Don't. I'm not going over there.
Oh, okay, that's what you call it? I call it harassing people.
I receive a paycheck for it.
Oh, I receive a paycheck for what I do too. I call what you call it. It's harassing.
Hey!
Harassing. Harassing. And okay, so why all y'all is up on him like that?
Because he's not cooperating, ma'am.
Hey, you're not.
So
I told y'all to get
for
the out of my
y'all,
face.
for one boy,
walk away.
y'all,
You walk
for
away.
one boy.
You walk away. You walk away. Hey, y'all get off my son like that.
keeps kicking him.
Maybe if they'll let him
They're
go.
just trying to get him in the car, but he's resisting the whole time. He
Put your
ran
arm
from
out
us.
like this. Come on
He's an
now.
adult.
It's not what you do, it's how you do it.
Don't run and spit at cops.
It's not what you do, it's how you do it.
It's what he
because you know
did.
what?
It's what
Y'all
he did.
wrong
He spit
too.
on cops.
Y'all wrong
Nobody's
too.
wrong. We got called
Yes, you
here.
are. You
We got
wrong.
okay.
You wrong.
We got called here. We didn't just show up.
Put your feet in the car. Put your feet in the car. Put your feet in the car. Put your feet in the car.
Hey, don't tell my son nothing.
I lost. Curcio.
Okay, he was handling himself in the same manner that.
But it doesn't matter. He has no reason
He has
to
the
be
right to
detained right
speak.
now, according
Yeah,
to the
then
law.
took flight and ran. So
Ran well. What he need to run for?
Y'all had him on the ground, so where the f did he
he
run?
ran from here to there.
Let me handle this.
He was up there when y'all came up with tasers on him with lights. So where the f did he run?
See, y'all
Where did
respect for
He
people
was
to
on
calm
his
down,
hands
but y'all
and
don't
knees.
give them.
Yeah,
Y'all
so where
want
did
to
he run?
Let me handle this, son, please, because I'm not trying to go to jail because that's what it's going to get to the point. Now, listen to me. Y'all want respect, but y'all don't want to
Y'all
give
don't want
it.
to
I'm
give it.
giving it to
Y'all
you.
understand what I'm saying? Okay, then why did you put your hands on my son?
I didn't touch arrest your son.
You just said y'all ran up on him with tasers and put my
Yes,
son on the
because
ground.
there was a shooting. I am
Okay,
protecting
but
the
they
evidence.
don't have nothing to do with no shooting. If you want to find out something, come up and ask. Don't pull guns and tasers on my children.
Yes, that's what
Period. Y'all
happened.
dead.
Understand what I'm saying? Now we pull guns and tasers on y'all, then what?
Okay,
That would be
first
bad
off,
news
don't
for
point
you,
your
sir.
finger in my face.
I can point wherever the fuck I want to
Listen,
point
you'll
at.
go right back to prison, buddy.
No,
I got no
don't
problem
drag
putting
my-
your
please.
ass back in prison. I have no problem. I am the
Lieutenant,
You gonna kill me? Now you're going to jail.
unnecessary. Just go. Hey, Lieutenant, we have a shooting scene here. That's we don't have permission to go inside the house.
I don't know what the f these crackers smoking on.
And
But I'm
please
just
go in the house. Please go in the house.
Daddy, I didn't do not one thing
I know you
wrong.
did, but please
Ain't
go
do
in the house.
nothing wrong.
You gotta go.
Just get on that corner right there. Hey, right there, that corner, so you can see all the way to the back. Okay, all right.
Now, what is the problem? Y'all got my children all upset, and you can get me upset. Now, what's going on? No, we ain't done talking. Now, what's the problem? I want to know what the problem. You got one of my sons in there, but you say you're doing an investigation. The way you're doing an investigation comes with respect, not the manner of showing y'all authority trying to run over people.
Okay, I don't know what you're talking about, sir.
What the f you mean you don't know what we're talking about?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Man, f you.
Hell no, man.
I tell you what, all this really end. Y'all want a war, eventually gonna be that.
What kind of words?
You can't give me no affidavit. Why should I give you some? I'm trying to find out what the f going on with my children. Y'all talking about bullshit. Y'all think y'all got a gun in your badge? Y'all shit. Man, f you mother.
Yeah, we're just gonna collect the gun shell casings and leave. That's it. Yep, 100%. 100%.
Get him and please go.
100%, sir. 100%.
Please, get him and go.
Yep, yep. We're just collecting him and then we're gonna go.
All right,
Yep. Yep. I'm counting down the seconds. Trust me. Man, I wish we could move faster.
Make sure y'all catch him that just shot in my yard.
Gotcha. I'm sure the neighborhood's gonna give us plenty of information for that, right?
Thank you.
Okay.
Man, y'all please just get out of here.
We're as soon as we're doing it. Y'all have a great night. Take care. Nope.
Okay, catch you later.
City clear. We're taking it today.
All right, everybody back in their cars, and we'll rendezvous somewhere else.
Try to get the victim out of next door. He doesn't want to be seen by the neighborhood.
That's fine. We've got.
So we got charges on which one?
We've got charges on.
Dude, it's already 10:15 and the guy was
And we don't have a victim next door.
We do.
We do. Did you have a phone number for her?
I'm gonna go grab it. He's cooperative. He wants to go to FD, but he doesn't want to walk out in front of everybody. Just battery, yeah. Just simple battery. There's allegedly a female victim that he tried to intervene in some kind of domestic. They were beating the out of this girl. She ran off. So nobody knows
we don't
where
have
she
her.
is. We just have.
Exigent circumstances doctrine. Officers may remain on private property during an active investigation without warrant or consent. Kentucky v. King, 2011. A confirmed shots fired scene with a bleeding victim satisfies this threshold. The property owner demand carries no legal force under these conditions. Reasonable suspicion and probable cause. Terry v. Ohio, 1968, establishes reasonable, articulable suspicion as the lawful detention threshold. Multiple independent witness identification at an active scene elevates this directly to probable cause for arrest under Florida law. Flight as a probable cause factor. Illinois v. Wardlow, 2000. Unprovoked flight from officers at an active crime scene contributes materially to probable cause. Combined with prior witness identification, lawful arrest authority is complete before physical contact begins. Use of force standard. Graham v. Connor, 1989. Reasonableness of force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision, not with hindsight. 3 controlling factors: severity of the crime, whether the suspect poses an immediate threat, and whether the suspect is actively resisting or fleeing. All 3 factors are present in this incident. Battery on a law enforcement officer. Florida Statute 784.07, intentional touching of an officer against their will during lawful duties, is a third-degree felony. Spitting meets this standard under established Florida case law. 4 separate counts reflect 4 individual officers affected, each count independently prosecutable. Resisting an officer with violence. Florida Statute 843.01, willful physical resistance during a lawful arrest is a third-degree felony. This is legally distinct from misdemeanor obstruction under Florida Statute 843.02. Both charges may be filed simultaneously for overlapping conduct. First Amendment protection for bystanders. City of Houston v. Hill, 1987. Verbal criticism of officers, including confrontational or profane speech, is protected under the First Amendment absent physical obstruction. Using implied threat of reincarceration to silence a non-interfering bystander constitutes a constitutional violation. Residential warrant requirement. Peyton v. New York, 1980. Entry into a private residence requires a warrant, absent fresh pursuit, active threat inside, or imminent evidence destruction. Officers correctly identified this boundary and did not enter without authorization. Felony battery and joint participation. Florida Statute 784.041, intentional strike causing great bodily harm, is a felony. Under Florida joint participation doctrine, each individual who participates in a group assault is individually liable, regardless of which specific act caused the injury. Lessons learned. De-escalation and lawful authority are not mutually exclusive. Officers who calmly explained the investigative rationale preserved both legal standing and community trust. Officers who used implicit threats against bystanders created constitutional exposure and undermined the department position. Case outcome. Convicted on felony battery. 4 counts of battery on a law enforcement officer, 4 counts of threatening a law enforcement officer, improper exhibition of a firearm, resisting with violence, and resisting without violence. Sentenced to 31.2 months in Florida State Prison.